Would you describe us a little bit the atmosphere for the models, because there are some beers. Yeah, it's a party, I think. No?
The atmosphere for the show always like this year is a little bit boring because the makeup's not so hard. But I always like do the John Galliano show because of the makeup, because of the you can do you create like a personage, you know, like you can act a little bit. But this year I don't know what's going on, but they take it more easy, you know. But still, it's really like you have fun in the backstage. You have all your friends. You can drink, you can, you know, talk a lot, and then you go do your show and then go home after. It's good, man.
Did you already see something of the collection?
The only thing that I saw was my clothes was really nice. It's like the first time that I can really think, oh, I'm gonna wear the clothes, you know.
It's different than before.
Yeah, it's pretty different. It's pretty different than before. Before it was really crazy. It was really like a. Crazy is the word, but it was nice for us model to do the show because it was really nice, you know. But this year is the first time that I'm doing without John Galliano in the control. It's more like the clothes are more easy, you know. It's not too crazy like before. It's not too going in the action thing. Like the makeup is really more a clean, it's no makeup. Before it was crazy. Each model had one makeup and they was all really workout, you know. But it was good. It was nice. But this time is really different. I like it.
Last time we saw you on the show for Alex Merby, you told us you live in Paris. Do you always live here?
Yeah. Before this time that I was doing the show, I was living for 2 months. But and then I moved to London with my girlfriend. But right now we moved back to Paris, so we're gonna stay for the whole year. For this year, the whole year we're gonna be based here in Paris. I'm gonna still live in here.
Do you like Paris?
Yeah, I love Paris. More romantic, you know, to be with your girlfriend. It's really nice.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot, and yeah, bon courage.
Thank you, merci beaucoup.